This is the reaction for Marvel's Daredevil Season 1 Episode 3. I am Jeffy, and here we go. So excited for this. This is the third episode. Bowling. It's like the Big Lebowski.
Can I get a size 10 and light?
Sorry, we're closing up.
Interesting.
Be right back.
Okay.
I was just really looking forward to throwing a few balls.
Get this moron out of my face.
What the? What is this? Who is this guy?
Man,
What are they planning?
look at this. This is top of the line.
What? You hit him with a bowling ball?
This is how he negotiates, huh?
Damn, Daredevil is gonna have quite an opponent. Oh, the bone! It's right there! Oh my. Holy. Damn. You could hear the crunching noises. Oh my god. Daredevil is gonna have one hell of a fight with this guy. Whoa! He's always blooded and bruised, isn't he? Why is nobody? Why does nobody notice? That he's a bit beaten up and blooded.
I have to get to work. Yeah, me too. Wouldn't mind a cup of coffee first, though.
He kind of looks like He kind of looks like Michael Keaton a bit.
Kings of the castle.
King of the castle.
Kings don't have bodies in the trunk.
Oh,
Go out to
what?
Macbeth.
What? He has a body in.
And then maybe I got something to say. That's the way it's
Oh
always
wow, okay. It's like the mafia then.
been. You tell me.
Daredevil.
I don't know.
The less you know, the better.
Been scratching at it.
Like a cat.
Police reports get altered. Public records too.
You know the whole let's stay out all night thing? Yeah. How about next time we skip the part with you?
Oh, damn. And there he is.
You know she's not really free?
Wasn't paying attention.
Not suspicious at all.
You need a dog?
Hi.
Oh no.
Do you do walk-ins?
Oh no.
I represent a consortium with diversified interests in the private sector, both domestic and...
No, that's bad.
So, why us?
Yeah.
Obviously, the larger firms aren't able to provide the same hands-on attention that we pride ourselves on at Nelson and Murdoch.
You set up
The
shop
Kingpin
right here in your
wants to
backyard.
have them.
Despite the fact that both of you were... All my employer wants is for you to continue to be ethical, decent men. Good lawyers.
No. He's not buying it.
It's fair.
That's good.
That's fair.
Your partner doesn't seem convinced.
Of course he's not convinced.
Like Foggy said, we're particular about our clientele.
What is he up to? What is the Kingpin? What are the Kingpin's plans? Why does he want them?
No, thank you.
He's gonna follow him, isn't he? Yep, he's following him. He's gonna stop and he's gonna see him. There he is. There. Oh, it's open. It's open.
Am I right in assuming this isn't your first rodeo?
I know someone who said that.
Issues. Considerate the terms of attorney-client privilege, Mr. Healy. Think I got it? Then you know anything you tell us stays in this room. Maybe you were in his employment at the time of the incident.
Yeah, if they lose this case, they will come after him. But he doesn't seem scared.
I suggest we waive Criminal Procedure Law 18080.
Oh, whoa.
Give the DA more time to explore a plea, moral confines of the law.
I want the 180-80 date. If I'm indicted, which we know I will be, we'll waive all hearings and discovery and go directly to trial. As for the man who hired you,
Yeah, who is he?
all you need to know is his check's gonna clear.
I think you said a lot just by saying that. What? What is that?
I got next.
Fist bump. Yeah. No.
Showgirl's DD5 says that she didn't come out of the back room until after the fight had started, which helps us. Argue defensive wounds, which makes it look more like a fight and less like an execution.
Wow, they've really thought this through, haven't they?
And we should cash a check, have Karen see what she can find out about Confederated Globe.
Right.
Upon execution of this agreement, the corporate interests, as they currently exist, agree not to pursue legal action against you.
Blood money. Don't trust them. Please don't tell me you've signed. Don't sign it.
Yeah, it's a subsidiary of a holding company.
I hope she
and a
didn't
loan
sign.
out to a holding subsidiary and on and on.
Bang on the router, will you?
That's how you solve problems. Bang on the router.
I'll remind you that my client is not required to prove that he was justified in his action.
The jury, they're a bit nervous. Oh. Whoa. That's so cool. Wow.
What do you have on her?
There isn't one.
Give him a name.
That isn't how this works.
Yeah, you better leave. Better leave the city. Okay, this is interesting. He's hearing their heartbeats.
Mr. Murdoch, we're waiting.
Sorry. Sometimes the delineation between the two is a sharp line.
Yeah, it is.
Sometimes it's a blur.
Most times.
And often it's like pornography. Good and evil, as important as they are, have no place in a court of law. Prosecution has failed to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that my client was not acting solely in self-defense. He may well face a judgment of his own making.
Exactly. Nice. Can't wait for him to defend Peter Parker.
Where is he? This needs attention.
He's indisposed. Paintings.
I think there's more to the story. If you're interested.
Wow, you just saved the man's career. Again. He's there again. He knows the judge. He tried to bribe the judge.
They're hung.
Metaphor person.
Well, hey, Mr. Healy.
That was a hell of a speech you gave, Murdoch. It was a hell of a speech.
This is gonna take a long time. Yeah, kick his ass. Kick his ass. He's not innocent. There you go. Show him what's what. Oh no. Oh my. Oh my. He's just gonna hit him with a tire iron. Damn. He's a worthy opponent. My. He knows how to fight. He knows how to fight. They both know how to fight. Holy shit. No. Oh my. That was close. No. Damn.
The man that hired your lawyers. Who does he work for? Who does he work for? I want a name!
Oh wow. He's going into his neck. Fisk! Oh my god. The Kingpin!
You think this is still about you?
It's connected to Spider-Man.
You coward.
Oh wow. No! Oh, what? That's messed up. I guess now we're gonna see who Wilson Fisk is. Oh, there he is. Oh, I'm so excited. It's the Kingpin. Why am I excited? He's a villain. Of course, it's Spider-Man villain.
Interested.
Oh wow. Oh wow. He looks like he's looking so exactly like the comic version.
It makes me feel low.
The Spider-Man villain right there. Oh wow, the connection. The connection to... Wow. This was a hell of an episode. And I cannot wait to see the next one. My god, I'm so excited. Now this series is really getting me pumped for No Way Home. Especially with the rumors that Daredevil is going to be make an appearance. Who knows, maybe the Kingpin as well. Who knows? It's going to be a fun and amazing journey. I think that in the next one, maybe Wilson Fisk will realize that they're onto him, and somehow they will find out that it's the lawyers. It's Matt Murdock and Nelson. Make sure to check out one of these videos, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below on your thoughts, and see you in the next video. Adios!